The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 pressure cooker. With its 10 preset functions and app control, this model stands out as a versatile and reliable kitchen appliance. It excels as an electric pressure cooker, featuring a user-friendly interface, sturdy build, and convenient pressure release options that ensure excellent results every time. Users have reported creamy and perfectly cooked risotto in just 5 minutes. Unlike many other models, the Instant Pot Pro's digital panel provides helpful status messages, making it clear what stage of cooking the pot is in, from preheating to cooking to keeping food warm. You could choose from 10 program modes, including pressure cooking, slow cooking, rice, steaming and stewing, or customizing settings with options for low, high, or maximum pressure, as well as temperature adjustments. The dial allows for quick setting of time and temperature, and the delayed start feature acts like a kitchen timer, letting you schedule cooking times. The touchscreen is easier to clean compared to traditional push-button panels. Additionally, the Pro Plus model can be controlled via an app, offering access to over 1,000 recipes, a handy feature. One of the standout features is the oven-like pressure release control, offering quick, pulse, or natural release options. Made from triple-layer stainless steel with silicone handles, the Pro Plus is easy to move around the kitchen. Its anti-rotation function keeps the pot stable during cooking. Compact in size at 13.2 inches long, 13 inches wide, and 12.7 inches tall, it won't take up much space on your counter or in your cabinet. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best. You got it.